Hi guys, so in this video I will create this fire aura effect in UE5 Niagara. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, and comment. And let's start this.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification.
Hi guys, so from the reference list, I have already created this ring, and now we will create this second one, this fire and smoky, and we have some glow, and you will see some sparks. So it's quite easy. Let's create it. So first we need a smoke material because this in this tutorial the main element is that. So I will create that from scratch again. I will not use my existing. So M can say fire or smoke. So let's say this is my fire, and in this one we need a texture. It can be uh, noise, or we can use this the alright. Which one? And then I'll take a radial and multiply this with this, and then if I'll connect, obviously this radial will cut that thing. So if I use the translucent, this will go to my opacity also. And in the color, and we don't have much gaps here. We have much, actually we have gap here. So I want to fill that gap. So take a power and make the value below the one. So you will have like this. Then I'll multiply this thing and take a black body and feed it here. So if we increase this multiply, which is our temperature, like 4000, we will have color according to that. We can increase it, decrease it even more. Okay. So now I can take a dynamic parameter. First, this will be my temperature. Temp. This is my, actually you can dissolve also with that. So I will call it dissolve. Okay, and one more thing I want to let it be. So that's it. We don't need much thing, and let's save it for now. So I'll the diagram effect. This is my fire emitter, and I'll that material here. And we need velocity from point. Okay, and then we don't need gravity, and we need drag with some a curve. So it will increase over lifetime, maybe 5 times more. And I'll take the dynamic parameter. Temperature by default I set 4000 and dissolve 0.5. Okay. Then I'll turn off the mass and the size maybe 150. And then the spawn rate maybe 20. And life maybe zero point 0.6, zero point 0.4. And the velocity maybe 100 and 150. Like this. Okay. So basically, this temperature should decrease. Or let me make this preview a little lighter. It is completely black, this much. So I want to decrease my temperature over life. So temperature will be like 4000, and then it is decreasing over life, and you can make this curve even like this, maybe this. Then this power, this should be like almost zero in starting. and then increase it. So curve, I will use this, not exact 0, maybe 0.1 we can use, and then it is increasing like this. And then in here we need this texture should pan little bit, and then there should be a material, sorry, the tiling. And I think I will not use this aura texture. It's not looking good. Maybe the noise will work good. And we have now a tiling parameter also. And let's save this now. Uh, Refresh it and make the tiling 1 by default. Now, actually, yeah. And then the tiling we can make maybe point 0.3 and 1. We have this thing, temperature should go longer. And if I, let's make this local and drag it here to the viewport, should be here. So first thing we need a depth fade in the material, depth fade, but not much, maybe just 20, and multiply with uh, that is fading. And particles should have some offset so they can be above the character in front of that. So I'll take the camera offset, maybe 20, I think 10. Okay, 15 is enough. So now the party size is too high, maybe 60 and 20. And drag should like more. We can increase the spawn rate very quickly. Okay. We can increase the alpha, maybe 5 will be until 20. And then this power should be like 2. Dissolve like this. And camera option maybe 10 will be on. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, everything is okay. Actually, we don't need this because we are dissolving. Okay, so I will just delete this and make the alpha even higher. It will be like very thick. Okay. Oh, actually, we don't have particle. That's why I was thinking why there is no difference. So particle color, multiply that opacity. Now you can see the difference because we have too high alpha, maybe 5 or 3 will work. Okay. And this temperature thing, so if I make it 0.5 or 2, so we can randomize this, maybe 0.8 or 0.5. So some temperature will go longer. Okay. And I think we don't need the camera offset here. Yeah, we need actually, but not much. Yeah, cool. Then we need a glow around it like it has. So for the glow, I will duplicate this, copy and paste. This will be glow. And I'll take a radial like this. And we don't need opacity this high. Oh, let it compile. So we have this. We don't need velocity and location also, or drag, or not dynamic parameters. So we just need a size, and that will just scale from 1 to maybe 1.5, and spawn rate maybe 6, and I'll use the camera offset -6, and the size like this, 200, 150. Okay, and it should be like faded 0.1, and also fade in, fade out. There will be glow like this. But still, this glow is too high, so I will make the opacity maybe 0.5, just very subtle glow around it. Then we need sparks, so we can just copy and paste this glow and call it sparks. And in this one, we need a velocity aligned particle, no camera offset, and shape location maybe 5. Then we need velocity from the point 100, and the size color, let's make this 100 very bright. Then the size will be stretched, so maybe 1, 5, 5, and 10. Spawn rate maybe 50, and then I'll use the curl noise also, 200 maybe, 20, 500, or 1000. Yeah, looks cool. And this will be maybe 40. And the size of particle maybe 2 and point 0.5. And some particle will be really hot, maybe 50 times. I don't need color variation. We have this. And this should be a little core also, although there's not that thing, but I would like to create. So I will copy this fire, paste it here. In this fire, and dynamic parameter, I will not animate the temperature, it will be default 4000. And then the light should be maybe 0.3, 0.1. And it should be like hot, maybe actually 10,000, maybe 8,000. Spawn rate 10. And dynamic parameter is the default value maybe 1.5. The camera offset maybe 8, 10. You have that hot part also. So that's it. I think this is almost same thing. There's one thing also happening that let me try. If it will not look good, I will delete this emitter. So in this one, I will not use velocity. Instead of that, I'll use the particle size maybe 200, 150. And dynamic parameter, it will start from point 0.8, and the spawn rate will be like 5. and then there will be a rate and uniform, maybe 100 minus 100, and live is already low. You don't need drag also. Actually, one thing is weird here. This is popping in. So in dynamic parameter, we can use this curve, and this will be like 3. This will be 3, and this will be like 1. So it will not pop in, and temperature will be like higher. Okay, let me test this. No, it's not looking good. We can delete that. So this is our like, fire aura effect, and this is how it looks separately. Okay. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye bye.